Hi Mario. So today we're going to be working on goal 3. Yesterday we worked on goal 1 and 2, and today we'll be working on goal 3, which is mathematics. And so is goal 4. Those are the two goals we'll be working on today. In this goal, goal 3, we're gonna you're gonna find the area and the perimeter of triangle, square, rectangle, whatever object is placed in front of you. We're going to be able to determine what the area and the perimeter are. So let's start. Remember, these papers that I'm gonna show you, you have them in your packet. So look for them and only work on the ones that I show you in this video. So area and perimeter. Perimeter adds all 4 sides. So a perimeter, you're going to get what is around. Your answer is going to be what is around. So if this and this side equal to the same, so you'll have 16 over here. And if this side 9 is the same as this, you'll have 9 over here. So all you do is add up all the sides. Here's the example. 9 plus 16 plus 9 plus 16 equals to 50 feet. Now the area, you're going to multiply 2 touching sides. So right here in this corner, you have this side and this side touching. So you'll multiply 9 or 16 times 9. Right here, 16 times 9, which is 144 feet. Area and perimeter. A perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape, which is all around here. If you have shapes that look the same, like a square and a triangle, you'll always have 2 sides that are 8 and 8 and 5 and 5. This one is an odd shape. So this side, you will have each one numbered. And the area is the number of squares inside the shape, in here. So what you're going to do with this one's easy. You're going to multiply 4 times 3. Right here, 4 times 3 to find the area, which is 12. And you'll find it here also. Right here, they're actually giving you the 16 times 3, the 6 times 3, which is 18, and the 3 times 3, which is 9. So once you get 2 different square units, you're going to add them together. 18 plus 9 equals to 27 square units. So in here, you're actually going to have 27 squares. Let's start with the first sheet, okay? Find the perimeter of the rectangles. Simple work outside the distance all the way around and outside the rectangle. The perimeter of the rectangle is below. So right here is the rectangle. You have 5, 3, 5, and 3. So here's the example. So you're going to add all the sides together. So you're going to add 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 equals 16. This is the first one. You want to work it out together? Work out the perimeter, okay? Let me look for it right here. Try to work it out, and I'm going to go over it with you. Okay, ready, Mario? Okay. So, this is how we're going to do it. You're going to add 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. So you add these together. You see right here? 4 plus 2 equals 6, right? But then you need to add 4 more plus 4. Then that's going to equal to 10, right? And then you add 2 more, which equals to 12. So 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 equals to 12. So you just count 4, 5, 6, and then count 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 2 more, 11, 12. So here's your answer. Okay, now go ahead and work on the rest. And let's keep going to your next assignment. Your next assignment is goal 4. And it's also mathematic. And here you're going to be able to sum up double digits and triple digits. Okay, so let's start. Here we are. So you're going to add these numbers together right here. Hold on. Okay, right here so I can see also. 35 plus 57. That's the first problem. 35 plus 57. You always start adding right here, the first row. 5 plus 7. So, what is 5 plus 7? Okay. 5 plus 7 is 12. So, we're going to carry the 1 up here, and you're going to put the 2 down here. Okay, because you can't put 12 here. So 5 plus 7 equals 12. So you put the 2, you carry the 1. So now we're going to add 1 plus 3 plus 5. So 1 plus 3, 4, plus 5, 9. So you're going to put the 9. So your answer is going to be 92. Okay? So go ahead and work on the rest of the problems. And when you finish all of them, Mario, remember you take a picture and send it to me so I can put it in your folder on Teams. So if you have any questions or if you're having any problems that you don't understand the problem, call me and I'm going to help you. Thank you.